Great news, SMMEs! Join our Voluntary Disclosure Program, VDP, and avoid prosecution. We would like to encourage all SMMEs who may have defaulted with their taxes to approach us via the Voluntary Disclosure Program. When you willingly come forward with a disclosure of a new default, you are guaranteed assistance and advice from SARS to prioritize your request. Who can apply? All SMMEs who have tax defaults with us, seeking relief from penalties, and want to avoid possible criminal prosecution can voluntarily disclose their outstanding tax affairs. Note, this is excluding outstanding debt and outstanding returns. How to apply? It's simple. All prospective applicants can apply for VDP via SARS e-filing. Requirements are: the disclosure must be voluntary before any compliance activities from SARS, including audit. The disclosure is full and complete in all material respects. The disclosure is made in the prescribed form and manner. Must involve a default which has not occurred within 5 years of the disclosure of a similar default. Must involve a behavior that is within the understatement penalty percentage table in Section 223. Must not result in a refund due by SARS. Need help? Send an email to vdp@sars.gov.za or call us on 0800 864 613. Alternatively, visit our VDP page on sars.gov.za. Your tax matters. SARS, at your service.